useful out there to you. In this game theory problem, we've got a decision tree. That's what this is called. We've got a first mover, sometimes called a sequential game. So Ann is going to get to pick first. Ann can go left, center, or right. And then K is going to respond. So Ann is going to think about what is the best choice for her, knowing how K is going to respond. So let's first think about if Ann goes left, K can go L or K can go center, and we're going to look and see what's better for K. So K would get 30 if K went L, and K would get 50 if K went C. So we're going to go 50 and get C. We're going to circle that or highlight that. Now, if Ann, let's do the right one. It's a little easier. So Ann goes right, then K can go left and get 20, or right and get 30. K is going to get 30. So essentially, this option and this option are off limits. Like, they're not going to happen. Okay. Then Ann goes center. K can go center or right, and then Ann has to respond. So now K is going to think about what K should do. So K says if K goes right, Ann, we're going to circle what's better for Ann. Ann is going to go, use my other color. Ann, I was using green, I guess. Ann is going to go get 40 because 40 is better than 20. So like this is off limits. And then over here, how's Ann going to respond if K goes C? So Ann, in this case, would most like to get this. So then we don't have this and we don't have this. Ann would like to get 80. So then K says, Ann, thinking as K, is what is K going to do? K is going to go center and get 30, or right and get 50. She's going to go right, or he's going to go right and get 50. Okay, so this is a possible solution where Ann gets 40. Now, Ann realizes this, so Ann can now compare 50 with 40 with 50, and so Ann would probably be indifferent. If Ann goes left, then this would be the result. If Ann goes right, this would be the result. So there's multiple Nash equilibria. And if Ann is doing what's best for Ann, Ann should just it depends on how Ann feels about K, because if Ann goes left, then K is equally best off or well off. But Ann does better, so Ann could go left and hook up K and get 50, or Ann could go right and take 50 for themselves, and then K only gets 30. So either one would be a possible Nash equilibria.